Hello student, welcome to my channel, My Audio Classes. We will discuss about the chapter Gravitational Force, Notes, Class 9 in English. What is gravitation? Gravitation of just gravity is the force of attraction between any two bodies. All the objects in the universe attract each other with a certain amount of force. But in most cases, the force is too weak to be observed due to the very large distance of separation. Besides, gravity's range in infinity, but the effect becomes weaker as objects move away. Some examples of gravity are the force that causes the ball to come down is known as gravity. Gravity keeps the planets in orbit around the sun. Gravity is the force that causes a rock to roll downhill. Types of force. There are four fundamental forces in the universe and they are gravitational force, electromagnetic force, strong nuclear force and weak nuclear force. Gravitational force. Gravitational force is the weakest force out of the four forces. When gravitational force is considered for massive objects such as the sun or giant planet, the gravitational. Electromagnetic force. The electromagnetic force is a type of physical interaction that occurs between electrically charged particles. It acts between charged particles and is the combination of magnetic and electrical forces. The electromagnetic force can be attractive or repulsive. Weak nuclear force. Weak force is the force existing between the elementary particles, which are responsible for certain processes to take place at a low probability. The universal law of gravitation. Newton's law of gravitation states that every object in the universe attracts every other object by a force that is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Acceleration due to gravity. This is the acceleration due to gravity and the acceleration felt by any freely falling body towards the earth. The value of g keeps changing due to the variation of Earth's radius. The moon's revolution around Earth. The moon revolves around the Earth due to centripetal force, which is the force of gravity of the Earth. If the force of attraction between the Earth and the moon ceases, then the moon will. Centripetal forces. When a body undergoes circular motion, it experiences a force that acts towards the center of the circle. This center-seeking force is called a centripetal force. Centripetal force is given by the following equation. Free fall and motion. When an object is under free fall, acceleration due to gravity is constant at g equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Value of g does not depend on mass, that is, any object big or small experiences the same acceleration due to gravity under free fall. Weight and mass. The mass of an object is the measure of its inertia and is constant throughout the universe. The weight of an object keeps changing as the value of g changes. Weight is nothing but a force. Thrust and pressure. Force acting on an object perpendicular to the surface is called thrust. The effect of thrust depends on the area of contact. The pressure is thrust per unit area. SI unit is Pascal. Force acting on a smaller. Pressure in fluids. The pressure exerted by a fluid in a container is transmitted undiminished in all directions on the wall of the container. Relative density. Relative density of a substance's density of water. To know more about relative density. The story of gravity. Introduction to gravitational Kepler's law. Kepler's first law. The law of orbits. Kepler's second law. The law of equal area. Kepler's third law. The law of periods. The orbit of a planet is an ellipse with the sun as its foci. The line joining the planets and the sun sweeps equal area in equal interval of time. Thanks for watching, and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.